Hi, my name is Jacob with VBA Decoded, and I'm going to show you how to get a simple dark mode or dark theme in your VBA editor. So let's open up the VBA editor, and it's ugly. Even the font is ugly. We're going to fix that too. All right, so you go up to Tools, Options, and go to Editor Format on the screen that pops up, and all you do is just edit all the code colors in this area. Now, the unfortunate part is they are only selectable colors. You can't customize these. But I'll show you which ones I use so you can have a baseline if you want to do that. So first off, I do change the font. I typically use just like a sans serif, or you could use whatever you want. But I'm going to put on Microsoft Sans Serif. Looks a lot better. And I usually go up to size 11 here. All right, so normal text. We're going to do white foreground and black background. Selection text, keep it the same. Syntax error, I usually keep that the same too, because red on black is pretty hard to see once it's in the window. Do what you want. Execution point, breakpoint, don't change any of that. Comment, I definitely change this one. This one, I do the black background with a light gray. And then for keywords, what I typically do is a really light blue with the black background. And then identifier, I do a yellow with the black background. And that is all that I change. So here it is. Now, unfortunately, it does not make all of the toolbars and the app window dark mode, but at least you have your actual code window in here as dark mode now. We do have an article linked in the description on VBAdecoded.com's website. Check that out. It's basically the same information here. Maybe you found this video from that link. Anyway, please like and subscribe for more content. Please let me know if there's anything you would like to see. You can contact me at contactvbadecoded@gmail.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.